Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you what is Claude Cowork. So as I said, in this video I will show you what is Claude Cowork. Right now I am in the Cloud desktop application and we will focus on this sidebar today, because as you can see we have the section chat, we have the section Cowork that I will talk about in this video, and we have the third section which is code. We will talk about it in the future videos, but today let's focus and let's compare these two. So what is a chat? Chat is a, I would say, normal AI that can only generate text. So you can write a prompt. So for example, I will write a prompt. Hi, how are you? Like this. And it will simply answer my question, but it cannot do anything more. So of course I can add some files here to this project, but it's not really comfortable. We have Claude Cowork, and with Claude Cowork it is pretty useful, because in Claude Cowork I can actually connect to a server, to a folder on my local computer, and AI can basically interact with my physical computer. So let's say that I want to connect AI to a folder, and I want to make AI to create me some files. So we can do it, of course, and I will show you how to do it in this video. So we have the section work in a project. So we can add choose folder right here, and let's add the folder. I prepare the folder in documents right here, and Claude Cowork, because this is the topic of this video, and I can press on select folder. We have to of course allow it, because AI need to have a permission in order to do something. And now, of course I can ask AI a question, but I will show you that here. So on the second monitor I have this folder. This folder for now is empty, and I will ask Claude to create me a file.txt with a text of hello, this is Claude inside. And now if I will do something like this, Claude actually will create this file.txt with this text inside of this folder. So I will do it. I will press enter or click that button. Here you have the progress bar. As you can see, created file.txt, and you have done. So actually right now I can press on this folder. Here I have the file.txt, and inside of it I have the information hello, this is Claude. So this is how it works in a very simple way. Of course in the future videos I will talk more about it, but that's actually the difference. In the normal chat you can only write a text, and you can add some files. So for example PDF file, TXT file, and the chat can work with it. But with Cowork we can actually make AI to do something for us. So let's say that you want to do a presentation, you want to do some text. You can actually connect to a folder, you can prompt it, and AI will do it for you. So this is how you can do it. This is the first video with for a Claude AI. If you found this video helpful and you want to watch more, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.